Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Revolut Premium membership. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. If you are new to Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below. Once you click on it, you'll be invited to create a Revolut account with benefits and extra bonuses from our offer. So as you can see, currently we are on the application right here. All we have to do is to simply go up to the top left section where it is showing your profile. And then from here, as you can see, you have your plan on the left section. And then from here, you can either upgrade if you haven't, or if you would like to cancel, then you can simply click on the same button and then go back to whatever premium membership you would like. So if I was on premium and then I clicked on join and then I subscribe for it, once you leave, all you have to do is switch back to standard, and then they will ask you for a reason. But be careful because there is a cancellation fee if you are canceling before 3 months ended from you subscribing originally. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.